Welcome to GK Mojo. In this DI class, we are going to see data interpretation part 4, in which I am going to cover a very good DI set which appeared in CAT 2018 slot 2. Alright, so this set has been requested by a lot of students, and that is why I thought I must take this set so that the students will have a first-hand experience of how they could have handled this set in CAT examination. Alright, so let's get started with this data interpretation part 4 video. So let us read the set. So this is the only information that has been given in the complete set. Trust me. And this is a very easy set. Each visitor to an amusement park needs to buy a ticket. Tickets can be platinum, gold or economy. So there are three types of tickets: platinum, gold or economy. Visitors are classified as old, middle-aged or young. Alright, so there are three classifications according to the age of the visitors. The following facts are known about the visitors and ticket sales on a particular day. 140 tickets were sold. So total 140 tickets were sold. The number of middle-aged visitors was twice the number of old-age visitors, while the number of young visitors was twice the number of middle-aged visitors. So these are some conditions given, right? We'll make use of them when we constitute a table. Third point, young visitors bought 38 of the 55 economy tickets that were sold, and they bought half the total number of platinum tickets that were sold. Again, some conditions that are given that we will straight away fill in the table once we are up to that. Fourth point, the number of gold tickets bought by the old visitors was equal to the number of economy tickets bought by the old visitors. Alright, again one conditional point that has been given. So total 4 points are there, and with the help of these 4 points we'll have to constitute a table and solve the 4 questions that will be following this set. Alright, let's get started with the table straight away. So I've made a table for the previous set that we just read. Alright, so this is a proper format, and this will help us solve the table in the most convenient way and the most easiest way. So basically the first foremost step in solving any data interpretation set is forming the data well in a tabular form. Alright, the data representation should be in the best possible way which is feasible for you to solve. So the first point, a total of 140 tickets were sold. So this 140 will come over here because this is the total of all the tickets that were sold. Alright. Second point is the number of middle-aged visitors was twice the number of old-age visitors, while the number of young visitors was twice the number of middle-aged visitors. So this is they're talking for this total. So basically what they're saying is old is to middle is to young. This ratio they are saying is 1:2:4, right? Why? Because they have given the number of middle-aged visitors was twice the number of old-age visitors, right? So if this is x, this is 2x, and further they have given that the number of young visitors was twice the number of middle-aged visitors, which is 4x, right? So if you take a ratio, you will get this only, right? I hope you have understood this. Okay, so the total is 140. So if you split 140 in 1:2:4 ratio, you'll get 20, 40, all right, and 80 over here. So 20, 40 and 80. So basically we've got the total for old, middle age and young visitors, which is 20, 40 and 80, right? With the second point, we've got this information over here now. Now let us read the third point that was given. Young visitors bought 38 of the 55 economic tickets that were sold. Alright, so economic tickets that were total sold were 55, they have said, and 38 were bought by the young visitors. Further, it says, and they bought half the total number of platinum tickets that were sold. So if we, let's suppose the total number of platinum tickets that were sold was 2x, then young people bought half of it, that is x. Alright, and we are done with the third point. So we are done with the first, we have done with the second, and we have done with the third. Now we are left only with fourth point. Now simply the fourth point says the number of gold tickets bought by the old visitors was equal to the number of economy tickets bought by the old visitors. Alright, so already we have taken x over here, so we'll take y over here, and this will also be y, right? Because the number of gold tickets bought by old visitors was equal to the number of economy tickets bought by the old visitors. So y and y, right? And here we complete the table. Right now you'll be thinking that this is not even half filled, and how are we going to solve the problems? Yes, we are going to be able to solve the problems, and I will show you how. Alright, first let us complete this table. How we will complete it, let us see. So now look at this old column, row, sorry. Look at this old row. Only this is left. The total is 20 for this row. So here we will have 20 minus this 2y. Alright, golden economy, right? Similarly, this platinum row, alright, look vertically. Alright, we have this, and we have this total as 2x. So it will be 2x minus this x plus 20 minus 2y, right? So what you will get over here, it will be x plus 2y minus 20, right? Similarly, over here in the economy section, this will be 55 minus 38 plus y, right? Because this is the total. So here you will have 17 minus y. Now over here in the total section, this is 140 the total. So 140 minus the 55 plus 2x, right? So what you will have over here, 85 minus 2x. Similarly, you can fill the young row. How will you fill it? 80 minus 38 plus x, and this will give you for the gold column, alright, gold box over here, and that will be 42 minus x, right? Now if I can just make some space over here, only one box is left over here, which is the middle age for gold, right? So 85 minus 2x is the total, and we will subtract from this 42 minus x plus y. So what you will get over here, you will get 43 minus x plus y, and this is your complete table. And with the help of this table, we'll solve all the 4 questions that are going to come ahead in this set. Let us have a look at the first question. If the number of old visitors buying the platinum tickets was equal to the number of middle-aged visitors buying the platinum tickets, that is, this and this was same, right? Then which of the following could be the total number of platinum tickets sold? So they are asking for this figure, which is the possible figure, right? So first let us see some options over here, right? So if I just cross check for this 38, I'll show you an example how we can do that. If this is 38, right, we'll just assuming the options over here. So this will be 19 because this is half of it, and these both are equal, that is they should be, let's suppose a and a, right, because they are equal, but they together should be 19. So it should be 9.5 and 9.5, which is not possible. Ticket cannot be split into half, so this option is not possible. Similarly, if you cross check for 34, same issue will happen. 34 over here, so 17 will be this, and then you'll have to split it into 8.5 and 8.5, which is not possible, right? Now let's suppose this is 36, right? The last option, which is 36. So this will be 18, and this will be 9 and 9, since old and middle-aged visitors have bought the platinum tickets equally, right? Now if this is 9, so this total is 20 over here. So this together, this gold and economy should be 11, right? So 2y is equals to 11, and y is equals to 5.5. Again, half the ticket is not possible, so this option is also out, and your correct answer is option number A, that is 32. So if you would have went by the options, you would have got it correct in the first go only, but I wanted you to show why these options were wrong. Let us have a look at this question. If the number of old visitors buying gold tickets was strictly greater than the number of young visitors buying gold tickets, then the number of middle-aged visitors buying gold tickets was. Alright, so basically what they say is the number of old visitors, right, buying the gold tickets. So this y, this was strictly greater than the number of young visitors buying the tickets, right? This is 42 minus x, right? Then they ask, then the number of middle-aged visitors buying gold tickets was, that is this, the value of this, and this is a theta question, so you have to get an exact answer, right? So y greater than 42 minus x, alright, which means x plus y should be greater than 42, right? So what can be the value of x plus y? X plus y can be 43, 44, and so on, right? So this number of middle-aged visitors buying gold ticket is 43 minus x plus y. So if we place the first value, that is 43, you get 0, right? If we place the second value, which is 44, you will have minus 1. Is it possible to sell negative, right? It is not possible to sell negative tickets. Hence the correct answer is 0, that is middle-aged visitors buying the gold ticket was 0. Let us have a look at question number 3, and let me tell you, this was one of the most easiest question I've seen in CAT. And many people were fogged by this set because they thought this was a difficult set, but this question would definitely convince you that this set was definitely an easy set. Question number 3. If the number of old visitors buying platinum ticket was equal to the number of middle-aged visitors buying economy tickets. So old visitors buying platinum tickets, that is this, was equal to the number of middle-aged visitors buying economy tickets. Middle-aged, economy, this. So basically 20 minus 2y is equals to 17 minus y. Just solve this. What you'll get is y is equals to 3. And what have they asked? Then the number of old visitors buying gold tickets was old gold, that is y. Hence the correct answer to this theta question was 3. So you know how easy this question was. Now the fourth question, which of the following statement must be false? Alright, so you have to prove which of the following statement is false based on the table that we have already created. So let us see option by option. So if I observe the option smartly, already you have to not take anything randomly over here or in any order. If you see option number C, the number of old and middle-aged visitors buying economy tickets was equal. Y and 17 minus y should be equal. But how is that possible? In the first glance only you should choose this option first. Why? Because what they are saying is y is equals to 17 minus y. That is 2y is equals to 17. If 2y is equals to 17, y is equals to 8.5. Can you sell 8.5 tickets? The ticket number should be a whole number. It should be an integer, right? This is 8.5. It has fraction in it. Hence, this is not possible. Hence, the correct answer is option number C. And this, you should have chosen this option first for testing just by a glance over the condition that they have given and the table that we have constituted. So that's it in this DI video. I hope you liked it. Please visit us at jkmojo.com. Thank you.